sentences. Today we are going to learn about what is direct sentence and what is indirect sentence, and how to convert the sentence from direct sentence into indirect sentences. First, I am going to tell you what is direct sentence. Write down it. The actual words of the speaker are quoted as it is. Are quoted as it is. What is direct sentence? Direct sentence means the actual words of the speaker are quoted as it is. And what is indirect sentence? Indirect sentence is the actual words of the speaker are transformed and said or written in a simple language. And said or written in a simple language. Look, what is the difference between direct sentence and indirect sentence? Direct sentence means the actual words of the speaker are quoted as it is. And indirect sentence means the actual words of the speaker are transformed and said or written in a simple language. Now I am going to explain you with some examples. This is example. The example is he said I am reading. We call this sentence as a direct sentence. In this sentence we call said as a reporting verb. And the sentence which is in inverted comma, it is said as reporting speech. In this sentence, said is a reporting verb, and the sentence which is be written in inverted commas, it is known as reporting speech. So we call this sentence as a direct sentence. Now I write down the answer of this direct sentence into indirect sentence. Now look at this. We write the same words. Means he said in this sentence, he said in the same pattern. Then I omit all the inverted commas which are in the direct sentence. I omit the inverted commas in the indirect sentence. I take that as a conjunction, and then I transform the pronoun and the verb. I transform the pronoun and the verb in other form. I transform I into he and am into was. So this is the difference between the direct sentence and the indirect sentence. He said I am reading. We use inverted commas in this sentence, so it is direct sentence, and this sentence explains us that the speaker's quoted words in the actual words of the speaker. And in this sentence, means in indirect sentence, we quoted, we transform the speaker's words into our own words. So it is known as indirect sentence. Students, you understood the difference between direct sentence and indirect sentence. Now there are some major rules to convert the direct sentence into indirect sentence. Write down. First rule is omit the inverted commas. Second is use conjunction according to the rules of sentences. Third, change the tense according to the rules of tenses. And fourth is change the adverb according to. These are the main changes we have to do while converting direct sentence into indirect sentence. We took the example. In that example, we omit all inverted commas while converting from direct to indirect sentence. We use conjunction according to the rules of the sentences. Then change the tenses according to the rules of the tenses. And it means tenses. The rules of the tenses explain us how to change the tense of the direct sentence into indirect sentence. Change the adverbs according to the rules. And we have to change the adverbs also according to the rules of the adverbs.
आठ
We are going to take some other example. Sam said, I am doing my homework. This is direct sentence and we are going to convert it into indirect sentence. According to the rule, we write down Sam said as given. Then instead of this inverted comma, we use conjunction that, and we also take this conjunction that according to the type of the sentence. Means this sentence is assertive type sentence, so we use conjunction that. We convert he, I into he, am into was, my into his homework. We make 4 changes in this sentence. We use conjunction that. We transfer I pronoun into he, am verb into was, and my pronoun into his. There are some rules. There are some rules for pronouns. Pronouns too. There are 3 types of pronouns, you know. First person, second person and third person pronoun. Which is first person pronoun? I and we. Second person pronoun you and your. And third person pronoun is he, she, it and you. In these pronouns there are also 2 types, plural and singular and plural types. There are some changes in the sentence according to the tenses also. The sentence may be in present tense and past tense. I write down here. Verb may be in present tense and in past tense. This rule is for changing the reporting verb. This rule is for changing the reporting verb. Means if the given reporting verb is in present tense, then how should we transfer it? And if the reporting verb is given in past tense, so what to do with it? In present tense, we use say or says. There is no change. Say to and says to. We have to change it while converting direct to indirect. We have to change it in tell or tells. If the reporting verb is in past tense, means if the reporting verb is said, there is no change. And if the reporting verb is given said to, we change it in told. Do you understand the change in the reporting verb according to the tense? And the pronouns, we have to also change the pronouns. We will learn the remaining part or the next part how according to the types of the sentence, what are the rules of changing direct sentence into indirect sentence, and we will take many other examples to solve this. Thank you.